Okay, just got in here. Resorts World, sitting here at the bar with your boy, Jamie.
You already know.
You guys know. All right, so we re-racked the hand. We didn't keep anything. What's the best hand you can get? You guys already know. On a re-rack. 400 on a re-rack. And then coming back. Deuces, where you hold the Jack Queen with a two banger and you get it twice. What is going on here at Resorts World? They're just peeling it. Okay, we're bringing you into my biggest hand of my life here. I got 11-time multiplier all the way across. I got 55-time multiplier coming in. Royal Flush dealt Jamie is 44, 44, 44. I don't know, 20 grandish, let's just call it. Yeah, maybe 21, 22. Okay, that's what it is. If it's dealt, I'm going to push the button, and it's just going to blank, and it's going to hold them all. Go. You mama. I'm going to just keep the queen banger, just to see if we could get a 44 hundo in there. Yep, I got a pair of queens. Look at with the re-rack again, guys. Look, it kept nothing here, but on the 11th time. Stay right here at the Resorts World and just give it away dollar bills. $13.75. Okay, I lied. I said the last hand was the biggest hand of my life. This one is. Each hand represents $12,000. This could be a $60,000 Royal Flush. Hit the button and watch it just sizzle up. It didn't do it. It didn't do it.
Come on, Daisy.
Okay, two hands later. Eight of spades up in the top corner there. See it? There's an 8 of spades, but we want it there. Oh, we got it! Can you believe it? Shit. Couple hands later, boom! You got it twice. Down there, and big baby. Let's go to work. Woo! All right. Your boy Bigkat Poker. Okay, one more time. Biggest hand of the decade. It's coming in. We got 60-time multiplier. Playing quarter bangers. Looking for a $60,000 Royal Flush. We got a couple aces. We got a shot at fours. What is four? That's $1,200 for two aces. Oh,
That's a hell of a hand.
It is. Okay. Back to back.
Do it again.
One more?
Do it again.
Oh, nines have been hot all year. We're gonna bring you in 50 cents for a few pokes. Since we're riding the train. We'll go to 1,800 on 50 cents. Hope we slide one. Nope. 1,800 isn't gonna last us very long. Yeah, one more spin. That's all she wrote. Over or under on 3 Royal Flushes here? I got the over.
I need 10.
I got Jack. Jack of spades 3 times. Put your glasses on so you can see this.
I'll slow it down.
I'm going to go Jack of spades 3 times. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Like a 5-1? You want to just keep that flush.
Here we go. Come and do it.
Oh, they gave me 3 of them outside the lair. Damn, that would have been $2 grand, 4,000. Delta would have been 12 grand.
Wow.
Yeah, good nighters. That would have been a beast. It would have been a beast. That's it, guys. That's all she wrote. Ace in your face, not an 8-track. 2,000 on aces up top. Nope. It's all here. Look who we got here. Yeah! Newlyweds.
Only after 10 years.
Oh, hey. Better late than never. Just like that damn Royal Flush that should be hitting. Oh, we're here with a little prosciutto. Oh, yeah. That's what we love right there. $1,300.
Kidding.
It's all here. All right, guys, I got a new little tripod here. Let's just see if this is gonna. Oh shit! I hit the wrong button. All right, well, worked out. I'm just gonna keep the 2 jacks. I got. What do I got into this? 6250. Hit the wrong button, but I'll just take you into the hole. Lift it up here. All right, we got. Let's slow it down. 6250, couple jacks. Oh, there you go. Improved on 2 hands. Okay, let's get back to jump. We're gonna go 3 hands. Didn't make any money on that hand. Okay, we got 105 in the machine, of course. And we're just gonna, let's see, I gotta stay away from the bet max. So there we go. Might only play a few of these hands here. This is, I don't know. Looking at the screen is a little unique here. Come on, throw a haymaker in there. Fives. The machine don't like 5s, that's for sure. Or flushes. Oh, that's terrible. It likes 3s though. No, it doesn't. It doesn't like jacks. We knew that. Those full houses. $60 hand. We'll take those ones. What do we do? Take the $30 win? Let's go. Let's see what Deuces is talking about. Deuces is talking about nothing, of course. Alright, Deuces. Oh, Deuces, where you at when you need you? 1. Let's do double here. Yeah, look at your boy Jamie. Let's go, Jamie. Shit. Alright. Let's go. We got 200 in the joint. We're just gonna play a little I don't know what we're playing. A little bonus poker, ultimate X. Let's slow it down here just so everybody can see what's going on here. We're just looking for a $4,000 haymaker.
Nice to see you again.
Yes, well, appreciate you.
Good. You training a little bit yesterday? You tried a little bit yesterday? Because
How you doing, buddy?
Good. How are you?
Good. Everything's good.
This man here.
No, I see you.
I saw you last time I was here. Yeah.
Yep. Let's do it. Come on,
Yep.
let's go. What are we doing?
I'm good today.
You did
Yeah,
water?
yeah. No
Nothing?
water. No
Okay.
water. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, we got
You change when you get a minute.
$5 into the joint. Bonus poker. We're gonna do this a few spins. We're gonna go all the way across the board, of course. Oh, here we go. Guys, don't sleep on that 12 timer. There it went. Slept right on it. Just like my neck. Oh, inside straight. Get one? Yeah, you better not. I'm gonna leave the 4 out of that one. Yeah, there's all the 4s.
Thank you.
Okay, bonus poker, you got a 2 more stabs here. I'm not even going for that flush. Would have gave us 3 sixes though, that's for sure. Look at these hands. Oh wow. Say good night, Irene. Yeah, let's get out of this one. Okay, more games. Let's go right into a double-double. Couple 7 of spades. How about ace spade? I think Ultimate X needs to be done here. This is just a bad flow all the way. You know what we're doing? We're doing bonus streak. We're going bonus streak. 10 play nickels, triple.
The guy, you guys, you don't play like slot machine, right?
Those slots are too good for us. Unless we're talking man chief. Oh yeah, Jamie coming over there,
baby.
straight flush. Go. More than $25. Oh, $125. Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right, where we at? Where we at? Deuces here. Damn right you do. Come on. 4 aces with a kick banger down there. Nope. Got some 9s in there. Oh, look at Jack Spratt. Could eat no fat. Playing a little speed play today for. Big old right here one time. Nope. Wasn't as easy to get as those 10s were. Now that might be the most ridiculous hand of all time. That one hurt. Okay, trip. We just need a haymaker out there. That's all we're looking for. 5 to broil. I gotta go king 10 on this one. Okay, just getting pushed in here. Oh, go to work, Jamie. Needed a hand right there. What do I do? Keep the 4? A deuce? Could I match anything up? Fair enough. Nope. This might be the toughest game of all time. I like to play tough games though. Ba-bum-bum. Oh yeah, Jamie's just going to work over there.
I just needed a cheese tray.
Yeah, that's all you need. Sometimes get a little refuel. Throw something down there on the baseline. Sure didn't, did it? 4 hands too late. I gotta go that way. Hope for a 10. I bet you all believe that you can believe that I didn't get that 10 or a 3 there. Ooh, I should have just got off. Well, that was fun while it lasted. Deuces. We all love deuces, don't we? So here's where I messed up last time. I didn't hold it first and tried to get the screen out of the way. Man, you telling me I can't connect anything there? That was a bad hold. Okay, we got a straight flush over here. Five-time multiplier off. Didn't matter. Unbelievable. And I still push the button. That's what's even more unbelievable. Okay, let's go to, we're gonna go 5, play dimes. Let's try bones. It's only getting a hundo here. $200. What are we here? 9 minutes. $200 playing nickels. I get it. I get it. Come on, let's make a comeback here one time. Nah, I don't want that. There's the hearts. Would have turned that to 12, and then we'd have 12 times up in the corner instead of 4. Look at that hand. Oh, 7s. Just couldn't get it done. 7s and 5s are not making it happen today. There's my 5. Ooh. Okay, we're only down, if we can get that back to 200, I'll take the $100 loss. Ooh, that's a tough hold. Should go for the 4. I don't have the confidence in the 4. Why? Why wouldn't I? Got 15 4s on the board. Alright, I think that's it. I'm gonna just cut the loss right there. Alright, quick and easy. Got your boy Jamie over here just pushing away. He's over here just lighting these machines up like a pinball machine.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo, there he is. You got kings. Let's bring him in. Jamie with his kings? No. Alright guys, we'll catch you later. We're getting ready to do that premiere of Stack 'em High. So go to that video if you haven't watched it yet. That's going to be a lot of fun. See ya.